Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my first video where I'm showing you a longer version of the shorts video I uploaded today. This is for anyone who wanted a closer look into the beautiful colors and variations in the Coach Faded Blue color and Tiffany Blue boxes. As you can see, it's a very close match. Coach did a great job on this. I've seen this color in other designers like Fendi and LV, so this is one of those fresh colors for spring. This was filmed on my iPhone in natural light in front of a window, and no filter has been added. You can see that the smaller snap pouch from Tiffany is a bit greener in tone than the other items, so whenever the camera focuses there, you see the green tint off the leather wristlet. Let me know in the comments if you have purchased anything from Coach in this beautiful faded blue, or you plan to. There have been some great sales at Macy's, Nordstrom, and Coach stores. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to follow me for more videos.